How do you make it zoom out? Come on. Wait, how do you... Oh, there we go. Okay, so, no, okay. We're going to school. And I got the swag socks on. You gotta agree, they are pretty swag. So, we're going to school, and it's the morning, and this is probably the best day in the winter.
Right, spice it up, don't make it.
Because I have gym today, and well, I found my comfortable shirt.
Same.
I found my comfortable shirt, and I also have 2 golf tournaments on the weekend, and so I'm looking forward to all of that. So it's gonna be an awesome day.
What are we doing tonight?
I don't know. Oh yeah, we're going to a baseball game. Yeah. Yep.
Where's your belt? Mom.
Should be right here.
I think we have the worst day of the full year to go to a baseball game. Because? Because it's 9/11. And there's going to be a bunch of, like, everybody's going to be depressed.
Oh my gosh.
Stop it.
Isn't that sweet?
Stop.
Isn't
Stop.
that sweet?
Stop it.
Isn't that
Stop.
sweet?
It's not nice.
Isn't that sweet?
That's so rude. Shut you in the
Isn't
closet.
that sweet? Stop! Stop! Okay, so right now I'm shut in the closet, and this. What the?
It's not locked in there, right?
Got it! Oh my gosh, Jill! Okay, I'm coming. I just need to put my shoes on.
Okay, come on.
So, you guys, we're going to a baseball game, and first we're picking up Katie at gymnastics, and oh yeah, and Katie doesn't know it, but we got her a new iPhone. Well, we got her a iPhone because she didn't have one. Jesus, honey. Right, so a new iPhone. So we're gonna get Katie's reaction here in about a minute or 2.
12 games back.
And
Yeah,
well, for you guys, it's probably gonna be like 5
That's for the
seconds.
difference.
Gymnastics, KK.
Class?
Class. I almost said class. Sorry. Oh, somebody dropped their shorts. How was gymnastics?
Good.
Yes?
Yeah.
Maybe, man.
Yeah.
Are you guys playing catch?
Scale of 1 to 10. How's your left arm right
Good.
now? Good.
It's so unfair that you don't have a phone.
I'm hungry.
Here, Kate. I don't know what he's talking about.
I don't know what he said.
Okay, here you go. Let's
Thank
go.
you.
Oh, Daddy's gymnastics.
Good. We did game routines. I stuck 13 hands.
Hey!
I mean 12.
Holy cow!
The 13th one.
Nice work, KK. All right, we ready to go to the game?
Yeah.
All right, let's do it. Oops.
Hey, Kitty, you're the new contestant on. You get an iPhone 6. This new iPhone 6 is yours.
You keep your room clean.
Let me do it. No, hurry!
All right.
Stop!
All right, no fighting, no fighting, no fighting.
Stop!
Right, I have to. Right, I'll open it, but you can display it. Right, you display it. Ryan, you display it.
This new iPhone 6.
iPod.
There, iPhone 6. If you keep your room clean.
Thank you, Mommy. Okay.
Thank you, Mommy.
You're welcome, and Daddy.
I said
Okay.
Daddy. Turn it on. Stop. We already got it set up.
Oh, I need the password, but you know, it's okay. Oh, sweet.
We already got some games.
I already have messages. Use this. Verizon.
Hey, Katie.
Aww. Thank you
You're welcome.
so much. I'm gonna get a case, and I'm gonna I'm gonna take a selfie right now to make it my screensaver. Right now.
Your hair's a little funny.
I know, I don't care. Oh, it's gonna be my screensaver. Yes,
It also comes charger.
Yeah, thank you. Thanks. Put it back though. I don't want to lose any of it. It's okay. Settings. It's gonna take a while.
Brennan, what's going on back there?
Emoji slide.
Nice. You're not involved, B? Oh. All right. You're welcome. All right, we're making our way into the game. Brian's practicing his baseball. Nice. There you go. There you go. Just in case they call you out on the field.
Until he ends up letting it go.
That'd be terrible. It's a little crowded in here tonight, which is good. Makes it fun, right? We got ourselves a suite, don't we, Kate?
Yes, we do.
So we have
yourself the sweet.
food and drink and good view. But it was hoodie night tonight. We got here too late. No hoodies for us.
What does that mean?
Sweatshirts. Like a hoodie sweatshirt, they were giving them out.
When?
Well, if you came early. It took us too long to get here.
For what?
What do you mean?
For what?
Like the first 15,000 or whatever people got hoodies. Thank you. Thank you,
So my mom's company that she works for is based in Baltimore. So once a year we all, her and her work people come to Baltimore and watch an Orioles game. So it's fun.
Hey, look at you. Leaning back in the suite. Let's take a look and see what you're saying. Who's winning?
I think the Orioles.
Oh, Kansas City's winning?
Yeah.
All right, go all of you out in Kansas City. All right, stay together. Is Brennan going?
I don't know.
Go text me. I love it. You know what it's like? It's like when a 16-year-old just gets her driver's license and they want to go drive to the grocery store because they just want to drive. Katie just wants to be able to text her.
Orioles golf ball.
Orioles golf balls?
Yeah, they're Orioles golf ball. It's $12 for a free. It's $12 for a 3-pack. I just want one golf ball though. That's $4. I don't pay.
Now, why don't you combine your money with Brennan and you can each have one?
$2.
You have $2? That's all you brought?
I didn't pay anything.
Well, where'd you get $2?
I only have $2.
At home?
Yes.
Oh, do you spend all your money on an item?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, you can't spend your $2 bill. You'll have to go without.
Down 3-1.
Oh no.
3-2, actually.
Here we go, ready? I'm trying to be chosen for fan of the game. Come on, be the fan of the game. Woo!
They never see me.
Oh, they can't see him.
Do you hear something moving?
There's something under there, Kate.
Do you guys hear something?
No, nothing, Brandon? You got nothing? Oh, what happened to your ankle?
He's fine. He's fine. Brennan, explain what happened to your ankle. So, there's a kid named Brennan, and he had a big spot in his head, and we put it in his sock.
More ice cream. What?
Don't I get one? It's a perfect and we're down by 1 point. We have the bases loaded.
Nothing better, huh?
Here, I got a new hat.
Got a golf ball.
Golf ball. No, this is the worst ice cream. It's a nice night, so
Life is good, huh?
nothing better. Hey, I have 2 golf tournaments tomorrow, and then on Sunday.
She's had a good time, but maybe too much.
Number 65, Chaz Roll.
We win! Alright, it's time to go. That was a fun game. What do you think about that, Brennan? Super duper fun.
Hey guys, thanks for watching, and everybody's kind of tired here. If you like what you saw, tell your friends about it.
Comment below.
Like, subscribe.
Yeah.
Comment below what your favorite baseball team is.
Help our channel.
Oh, that's a good
grow.
idea. Yeehaw.
Oh my gosh, Ryan, that's the most ridiculous thing to say. Don't put that in mouth.
You're asleep.
Good night.
Yay. Thanks for watching. Be sure to thumbs up and subscribe. See you later.